fix old cameras. Your successful completion of the demonstrated repair ultimately depends on the quality of your tools, the condition of your camera, and most importantly, your repair ability.
How to fix a DTL with slow speeds that hang open. The slow speed escapement can be accessed with the removal of one screw. Because the screw is located on the inner edge of the mirror box, it's a little hard to get a good straight shot at it. The angle of access can slightly be improved by removing the lens mount ring. Remove the plastic decorator that surrounds the lens mount and the 4 screws that hold the lens mount in place. Mark the top of the lens mount with a piece of tape to help with positioning on reassembly. Now the single screw that retains the escapement cover can be removed. With the aid of tweezers, the escapement cover plate can be worked free of the mirror box. The slow speed escapement is now visible and accessible in the shadows of the mirror box. The spring-loaded aperture stop-down plate can be pulled forward to better view the slow speed escapement. The escapement tries to time out, but hangs up. A little encouragement with the tweezers, and it finishes its cycle. A drop or two of light shutter oil should limber up the process as it migrates across the mechanism. That is looking and sounding better. Sounds nearly perfect. Once the escapement cover plate is back in place, it is now time for the fun part. That is trying to get the little screw threads to start when the angle of the screwdriver is not the proper angle. Sometimes a small slotted screwdriver works better at getting the screw to start the threads. Once the screw has started and you're certain that the threads are not crossed, it can be tightened with a cross-point screwdriver. Or you can avoid the possibility of 20 minutes of frustration trying to get the screw to start and just use a dab of 100% silicone on the point of contact where the screw would normally be. As there is no mechanical stress on the escapement cover assembly, the glue or silicone sealer will easily hold it in place, and should it be necessary to access the escapement in the future, the silicone sealer can be peeled off so the plate can be removed. Maybe a tad ugly, but effective. And once the lens is mounted, it's out of sight anyway. Besides, after fiddling around trying to get that single screw to start, the silicone sealer will not seem that bad. And don't the slow speeds now sound pretty?
Thank you for watching. Inspired? Check back for new video postings.